Hey guys, it's Camille from Chicken Scratch and Sniff. Yesterday, I shared with you a new thing that we have for Come Follow Me, and I love it, but there was a lot of questions about it. So I thought it would be easier if I just answered all your questions in a live video. So if you saw the Come Follow Me Textables and you have questions, go ahead and type them in and I can answer them as we go. Otherwise, I'm just gonna kind of walk you through on how to get them on your phone and start using them, okay? So Colette from My Computer is My Campus designed these, and they're wonderful. There's 3 for every single week, and right now you can download all the ones that you will need for January's lessons, okay? So it goes right along with the manual. It even goes with her family bulletin board kit, which is wonderful, and it will totally help everybody stay organized and on task if you want to get that as well. But there's 3 texts that you can do every week. One, it says like the reading assignment or the lesson that you're on, so that you can text that out. That's what textables are. They're images that you can text out, okay? So you can use that to keep everybody on track and to remind them of what their duties are. Then there's the question to ponder, which is great because we want to keep these conversations going all week long. We don't want to just do it once a week. And so, like if you have a teenager, if you have a kid in college, if you have a church class that you're trying to connect with, you can send them this question to ponder later on through the week and just let them stew over it. Maybe they'll text you back, maybe not, but at least you've sent it to them to think about. And then there's also a scripture that you can text them every single week, and it matches the scripture that Colette has in her family bulletin board kit. And so if you have a goal of memorizing a scripture every week, that's a great way to do it. So you can put it on your bulletin board, but then you can text it out as well at a different point during the week and say, how's it going? Have you memorized it? Or you can text it to someone and be like, I really like the scripture and this is why. And that way, like if you're in a group, but you're individually studying it and then you meet as a group maybe once a week, it's a great way to kind of encourage that discussion and share your thoughts and things as well. So a lot of people have problems with the zip file part of it. So zip files just mean that like there's multiple images, and so I can't just link to one image and have you download it. And I didn't want to put like 12 download buttons, so we put it all in a compressed file, okay? And so before you can actually open that, you have to unzip it. And it's really easy if you can do it on your computer. I have a tutorial link up on the blog, but it really is easy to unzip it. Usually you just have to right click and push unzip, okay? Or extract all. And that's really easy to do. And then you can put those in a folder in like Google Drive, for example. That way you can use them while you're on your computer, or you can use them while you're on your phone. Like if you're posting it to a Facebook group or something, you can have access to it whenever. So that's one really easy way you can do it. But if you want to download them straight to your phone, you might have problems. So you might be able to download the file, but you might not be able to access it because you have to unzip it, right? So there's a couple of things that you can do. Here's one that I found, WinZip. That's the one that I ended up downloading to try it out on my phone. All I had to do was download it, and then I can automatically just open it. Like I don't have to open the app itself in order to open the file. So when I go to my files and I click on this, the file that I want to open, it just will open now. So I don't have to worry about, see, then they're all there. So it just opened, like it's so silly. You just need like a simple app and then it'll open up and then you have them right there. So then I can just use them whenever I want. Another way that you can do it though is if you download the zip file on your phone, you can then upload that file to your Google Drive or whatever cloud you have, but I know it works with Google Drive. And then when you go to open it on Google Drive, it'll automatically unzip it for you as well. So you just need another app to do it, but it makes it super easy and it's not complicated, okay? So here's an example of how I would use this textable, okay, guys? Because we want to teach like a chicken, right? So here's the one that says December 31st to January 6th, okay? That's what it looks like, if you can see that there. So I'm just want to share this file, right? And so I will go, I told my husband I was going to text him during work today, but to ignore my messages because he was going to be my guinea pig, okay? So I can go to my images and since I've already opened up that file, I can Sorry, I have to get, it's a new phone, and so I'm trying to figure out where everything is, you know? I really miss my old phone. You know, that learning curve, it can be annoying. Okay, so I want to share this one to a, so I had to, so okay, I'm going to show you this. So I had to click on this so it would be highlighted like that. And then I went up here and it said, see how it says extract to. So I had to extract it to my downloads so I could easily access it. Okay, so then I can go into my texting and just see now it's there in my downloads. And so I can just attach it to my text and I'm going to say, so like that. And I'm going to say, remember you have the lesson or mini devotional or whatever you want to say for this Tuesday. I am doing the Come Follow Me game. So we're going to do that flag game. That's free up on my blog. Just so he knows what I have planned so he doesn't do the same thing, right? So I am doing the Come Follow Me game. So like that's one easy way that you can make it work. So like if you're doing it with your husband or you're doing it with another mom or whatever you're doing, you can just say, hey, remember this is lesson run, you have this, okay? Okay, maybe I want to send it to my daughter instead, and I can do that. And I can tell her, you know, I just lost my file. I tell you, this new phone, I'm so grateful for them, but they can be so frustrating, right? Okay, so then I'm going to download these ones as well, extract them. And I'm going to email my daughter and I'm going to say, hey, remember this scripture, and then I'll just show you what it looks like. Didn't work. I went too fast, you guys. Extract to that one. I forgot to push the button, you guys. Extract. Oh, I tell you. Okay, so now I will text her and say, hey, remember this scripture? How are you doing? How are you doing on memorizing it? Memorizing it. See? Easy peasy. Now, the nice thing about Textables, you guys, is they can click on them and obviously it'll get bigger. And so then they can take a screenshot of these and even put them like in their backgrounds on their phones or something. So it's really great. That's the exact same thing that you can do with the Textables that I have for you if you're a newsletter subscriber. A lot of people have asked about that too. So just do the same thing. You can download it on your phone if you want. You just have to have that app to unzip it, okay? Do you guys have any other questions about it? They're a really great way just to stay in contact and to keep that conversation going. So if you have questions, just ask me. But otherwise, go and download them. They're totally free. Like I said, Colette from My Computer is My Canvas has designed them, and we'll have them for you every single month. So let us know what works, what's helpful, what's not, and then maybe we can adjust them if we need to. But use them. Share them with your friends. Tell them about them. It's a great way to just jump in and do it. All right, guys. Have a great week.